I got it. Yeah, I got it. It's in my hand. I'm coming out. This motherfucker's hot. Jesus Christ. Ugh. Oh, fucking shit. I see the light. Come on, man, it's hot as fuck. Holy shit, man.
Hold that. Am I bleeding right here?
No.
Dude, I appreciate it, Shawn, man. He's gonna be loving that. I gotta.
Ooh, I was weighing that field down.
I can't believe he got that far that quick. Well, I'm guaranteed. I'm glad you found it, man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What a mess, God. He'll probably give you a big kiss.
Ooh.
No, he didn't hurt it any. They're pretty tough. I mean, they're expensive, but they're tough. Wow. I can't believe I couldn't get any video out of it. Still.
It's about halfway in that field, man.
Yeah, he's gonna love you. It's been a half hour. It's running.
We found it!
He about ready to cry over that one. I think he was. I can't blame you. God, that's a lot of money, man.
I'm gonna stay away from our cornfield.
Oh well, I took his channel over. He couldn't see. He kept saying, all I can see is the bait. It was about halfway in that cornfield, man.
I found it. I was kidding. He found it.
There was a Bluetooth finder app you put on your phone that if you get within range of it, it'll start beeping at you.
No shit.
Dude, I had to go about halfway down in that field
Oh, shit.
before I heard it.